Welcome to today's class. In this class, we'll be discussing about next sibling combinators in CSS. Now, um, the next sibling selector combinators is used to select an element that is directly and after another specific element. Siblings element must have the same parent element, and adjacent means immediately following. So now, let me show you what all this means. So um let me start with the div. So let me say paragraph. I'm the tech guy. I'm the oh no, let me make use of in the div one. So let me just duplicate. I will say in the two the div 2. So now let me create another paragraph outside the div. Now let me say paragraph. Let me say outside the div, outside the div 1. So let me duplicate and say now outside the div 2, we are having it after. So now let me create another div. So now this will be div paragraph. Yeah, we see in the second div 1. Let me duplicate. You can duplicate your tags by using the shift. You hold down the shift key and the alt, then and the down arrow key. So in the second div, let me make it 2. So now we have this. So now let me create another paragraph. Now let me say second paragraph. Second paragraph 1. Let me duplicate. And so second paragraph 2. So now let's go to our CSS file and let's modify our code. Let's apply CSS to it. So let's see the changes we are going to see. Let me say div. I'm going to make use of plus p paragraph. So I'm going to change our background color to red. So let's see. Now as you can see from our website, we are having the background color of the outside div 1 to be red and the second paragraph 1 to be red. Now from my previous explanation, I said the next sibling selector combinators is used to select an element that is directly and after a specific element. Now you see, this is an element here, the div. Now this is our tag. You understand? That is, it is directly after that. So now this is another div here, and this is an element here. So you can see from the explanation, this is how the siblings combinators works. So thank you. Next tutorial, we are going to discuss about some other features of CSS property. Thank you.